As the e-commerce market gets more and more competitive in 2025, having strategies to deal with each stage of the customer lifecycle has never been more important. Today's video will show you exactly how to deal with each one and also how to keep them coming back for more. So let's dive right in. The first thing you're going to want is to have a nice, clean shopping page without a lot of buttons. The only buttons you should really see are the add to cart buttons. Now, if you do have any other features, such as quick views or anything of that nature, that it complements the product but doesn't distract from your main goal. Now, to take it one step further, having a quick view is a great way to get the information to your customer quickly and help them make the decision of purchasing. Another benefit is they can go back to shopping after they added it to the cart with minimal to no interruption. This could lead you to pick up an extra item here and there, and that will drastically multiply your sales very, very quickly. Another thing that can drastically increase your sales is a nice, robust wish list plugin. One where it's easy to add to their wish list. So happens my plugin also incorporates it into the compare, so they can compare things and remove or add from their wish list. But the more important thing is the ability to reach your customers via email or any other means. Now each plugin may be a little bit different, but dynamic shopping handles it in this fashion. Where on the wish list, you set how many days to make the wish list idle, and then you can set templates to then start emailing them afterwards. And you just do that by narrowing it down to just the wish list, and then it will start this chain of emails. Now in the emails, you can also add coupons to encourage them to purchase, add free shipping. All this is designed to get your customers back on the store and purchase. In fact, you can have a buy now link that will send them straight to the checkout page for their wish list. Now that the customer is through the shopping phase and they're moving on to the purchase and they're on the checkout page, but maybe they second thoughts or their computer crashes or the battery dies on their phone, a great way to remind them to come back to complete their purchase is an abandoned cart plugin. This is also included with my plugin, but there's some free ones out there that will accomplish the same feat. Once they add their email address, it will capture their email address, and again, they'll go through an email chain where you can entice them back. Just like the wish list, you go to abandoned cart settings, then you're going to set a timer to consider abandoned. By default, it will be 60 minutes. And again, you'll have your email templates. Click abandoned cart. Now you can edit all your abandoned cart templates from here, as well as send them back a stock notification and sales notifications. Just those extra levels of enticement to convert that into a sale. Now you might think, oh, that's awesome, we've made a sale, but you're not done yet. There's another stage to it, and that is to reminding them to come back to your store in some fashion. Some plugins you can get will ask for a review on a product to get them back on your store. But what I like to do is set up buy again reminders. Now this is great if your store has consumables or supplies, and you can set individual timers like this by going to a product, go to edit, and buy again timer, enabling it, and then setting how many days you want to do 10, update. And just like the wish list and the abandoned cart, go to buy again, and you can make an email chain. By default, we just give you one because I just think sending one reminder is enough. But you can also let them know it's back in stock or on sale. Adding all these features are a great way to increase your sales. From the beginning of their shopping experience, getting the information to them quickly, having the ability to save items that they just aren't convinced on, and then having the ability to entice them with coupons or reminders, then having the ability to capture any abandoned carts. All these steps are a great way to increase your sales. There's no other better step than remind them to come back and purchase an item again. Even if that's 1 out of 10 of your customers, that can greatly help and increase sales again. Now, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye!